The minibike is equipped with a speed limiter switch, located under the seat, that disables the sport mode. The speed limiter switch needs to be turned off to enable all three modes. Use a H5 bit to remove the two screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Turn the speed limiter off. Unplug the two wires connected to the child lock. Using a Phillips screwdriver to remove the child lock. Next, install the child lock back to the original position. The switch direction doesn't affect the function. Connect the two wires. The harness connection position also doesn't affect the function. Tighten the two screws to secure the seat assembly. With two batteries inserted, it can be used normally.